Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Welcome back. Welcome back for the existing followers, and welcome if you're new here. If it's your first time, welcome to Forex Talk Over Beer. And the concept of the show is pretty simple. We're going to talk about Forex. We're going to break down some charts. We're going to talk about winning trades, losing trades, answer your question. But very important, we also going to have fun, and we're going to enjoy a nice little drink. So make sure to go get a drink, beer, shots, wine, champagne, whatever you guys drinking. Maybe milk, because maybe you're watching the replay. Maybe orange juice, because maybe it's the morning at your place. That's okay. But get ready for the official cheers. I need you guys to take a picture, post it on Instagram, tag my name on it, and I will reshare it. Sorry for those lines in my face right now. The sun is like blasting in my face right now. So in a couple minutes, it should be gone. So that's the good news here. All right, so hopefully everybody's doing great. Make sure to smash the like button as you're coming in. Say hi in the chat. Please let me know if the sound is loud and clear before we get started. Let me just do something very quickly. Want to check something very quickly here. Boom. Okay. One. Okay. I think we're good. Are we? I think we're good. Okay, excellent. So I think we're good. Say hi in the chat. Let me know where you guys from. Let me know where you guys from. If it's your first time, let me know. Okay. Also, note there's another Discord now for the Set and Forget group, which I'm not in yet. I have no clue how to access it. So if someone can tell them over there that we're getting started and send them the link, that'll be very appreciated. I send it in the current active Discord, but I'm not in the other one. So if anyone can send that link and let them know we're getting started, that'll be very appreciated, because I got a lot of message from you guys recently on Discord privately, that wanted to know when it was, and you guys were saying, can you please send a reminder? And I said yes, but I don't have access to other Discord. So if someone can do it, that'll be pretty cool. Let me see here. Let me actually, while we're talking, let me just boost my mouse because my mouse about to die here. So let me just do something very quickly, just maybe a percent or two. So we got here lower than Sarbu. So hopefully I didn't like scrap your name. From Romania. That's pretty cool. So welcome, 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 welcome. Yeah, Romania. Yeah, Romania. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. So welcome, man. Welcome. So who else we got here? Who else we got from where? Most of you guys, I think, are existing followers. So you already said where you guys from. Let me see here. Oh man, we got Switzerland. Jeez, let's go, man. I cannot put you know what? My mouse should be okay. Let's do it again. Sorry guys, I should have charged it before. So yeah, you said Romania, okay. And we got B100. What's up? I'm from Switzerland. So love it. So love it, love it. We're worldwide, baby. All right, so let's get started, guys. Before we get started, let's open up this little beer. So hopefully you guys have a drink with you. So this one's gonna be it's called Brune du Nord. And this one is a New England IPA, 6.8%. So let's start with that. Hey guys, don't forget to smash the goddamn like button as you coming in. This actually smelled pretty good. This is not my first one from this microbrew. Ooh. All right, so you guys ready for the cheers? So get your drink, get your camera ready, and we'll go for that in 3, 2, 1. Cheers, guys. All right, so if you didn't have time to take the picture, just rewind 1 second, snap the picture, tag my name on it, and I will reshare it. Man, this thing is good. Guys, I am fired up. So I hope you guys are ready. I hope you guys gonna be able to take some notes. Oh, sorry. So I hope you guys ready and take some notes, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so let's get going. So let's move up here. Boom. Let's put that banner down. Boom, 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 banner. Here we go. Perfect. All right, so now we're good to go. So let's start with, and by the way, guys, if you have any question, please make sure you ask them. That's when the show gets interesting. Okay. First thing first, let's recap. Which one should we recap? Sorry, let me put myself in do not disturb right now because my phone keep buzzing. Perfect. There we go. Okay, so sorry guys, ADHD kicked in. Okay, cool. So we're gonna get started with let's start with where's this bear? Let's start with USD CAD. Yeah, USD CAD. All right, let's start with that one. So this one was a paper trade. So we're gonna cover that. Okay, so let's start with the first trade that I had on USD CAD. And usually I don't trade USD CAD. I just hate USD CAD. But this time everything was aligned. So I was like, you know what? Let me take it. And now I do remember why I don't trade USD CAD. And this, you heard it first, will be the last fucking time I trade USD CAD. Hey, cheers to that. Oh yeah. The thing is with USD CAD, the thing is there's so much thing that can impact USD CAD because those are two major pairs. So many news, like it can just fucking kill your technical analysis, right? So that's why USD CAD, I'm not interested into it. So this thing right now, you see this green flag? This flag's gonna be turned red. Not gonna touch it anymore. All right, so cool. So, but everything made sense though. Okay, so if you look here, we are bullish on USD CAD since where was that? September 2022. Here. So since September 2022, we've been bullish. And we've just been bouncing back and forth between that range, which is a big range, don't get me wrong. But still, we're not creating a higher high or a lower low. We're just playing inside that huge rectangle right now. Okay. But we're still bullish. Now, if you take a look at the daily finally created a new high. So that was the thing that was like interesting here. So we finally created a new high here. And I waited for that daily to come down inside that daily golden zone to take it to the upside, which was beautiful. We had a daily engulfing candle. That was beautiful also. If you look now at the 4-hour time frame, so 4-hour time frame went down, obviously, to have the pullback on the daily time frame. And we finally went bullish. So once we went bullish, I just waited. No, actually, here's the mistake. Here's the mistake. Here is one of the mistake. First, I traded USD CAD. So first mistake. Second mistake, I did not wait for the pullback on H4. Okay. Now let me explain you why I didn't wait. Okay. So first, we were pushing up here by breaking here. We created a new high, but it was a pretty big candle right here. And the time was 9 a.m. And at 9 a.m., we already broke previous high here. So let me actually put the screen bigger for you guys. So yeah. So right here, oops. So right here, we already broke it that wick. So meaning that there's a bigger probability for price to continue to the upside. Okay. So that was first. I was like, all right, I don't think we're done pushing up. And plus it's 9 a.m. We got New York open. And I mean NYC open. Plus at 10 a.m. we're gonna get London closed. So a lot of volume incoming. So I was like, all right, I think we should be good. So that's why I didn't wait for the pullback. And usually I always wait for the pull. I mean, not always, but most of the time. But this is an exception that I did because everything was aligned to continue to the upside. But as you can see, I was wrong. Now, if you look at the 1-hour time frame, 1 hour had a little pullback, so that was great, but didn't have any engulfing. So I went down on the 30-minute. Was it? Yeah, right here. Okay. So here we had a tiny, and that was the mistake. Okay. So third mistake here, the pullback was not big enough. Okay. It was a small, tiny pullback. We got, yes, a nice, I mean, it's not a big engulfing, but it's a cute little engulfing. Let's call it that way. So we went in profit for a little while and it was good. And bam, we crashed. Okay. So 3 mistakes to avoid. Number 1, don't trade USD CAD. Number 2, wait for the H4 pullback. And 3, if you're about to get FT about to enter on 1 hour, make sure you have a decent pullback, right? So yeah, so here is the lost on, I mean, I can extend that to here. You see, I got stopped. Okay, so here lost. This one I went with 1.5%, so I did lost 1.5. So that's fine. This one is a paper trade because I just wanted to see, like, if I waited the H4 pullback. So now this is, you see here, paper trade. I didn't took that one live. Okay, so this is just for learning purposes. Cheers, guys. Guys, please don't forget to smash a goddamn like button as you're coming in, please. Cheers. It literally take 1 second. You can elbow drop it, knee drop, nose drop, whatever you want to use to smash a goddamn like button, do it. Okay, so now if you're looking at the 4-hour time frame, if you're looking at a 4-hour time frame right here, boom. All right, you see here, bam, we're sitting on that safety net. So I was like, all right, cool, awesome. So that's where I took my paper trade. I went on the 2-hour. So 2-hour, we had an engulfing candle here sitting on the safety net. So I was, all right, let's simulate this. I'm going to put stop under previous structure. And let's see if we can have a winning trade here, even if I'm not taking this one live, just for learning purposes. And once again, USD CAD. Okay, so look at this. USD CAD. I'm going to keep it in my watch list. And the only reason why is because I want to know when to buy USD when I go in vacation. So this one is going downtown. This one's going with gold right here. Actually, it's going to go under gold. Fuck you, USD CAD. Never again. F you. I feel like spitting on USD CAD. Not that I did lost. It's just because it just this, yeah, whatever. Because I can talk bad against USD CAD for a little while. Okay, so now let's focus on something else. Let's go to where is it? NZD All right, so NZD I don't know if you're gonna see. Oh fuck, the wire's stuck. But yeah, I wanted to show you my MT4. But we are actually in a trade right now on NZD As you can see, I've been riding NZD Had a 4-1 win here, and right now I'm about to get another pretty good one. Right now I'm running 25 pips profit. So yeah, so now let's see why I took that trade and why NZDGPY was not. NZDGPY and AUDGPY have been treating me pretty well like lately. So I kind of like it. It's trending nice. Look at this. How beautiful is this? This is the kind of pair you want to trade, guys. Look at the weekly. It's fucking trending, you know? Like this is what you want to look for. Not those fucking stupid ass USD CAD stuck in a range. I'm so dumb that I traded that. Cheers, guys. All right, so now if you see here, all right, if you see, um, let's see here. Bilal, good evening. How are you, buddy? Welcome back. Guys, don't forget to smash a goddamn like button. All right, so let's talk about the weekly here. Okay, so, boom. Here we go. So if you look here at the weekly, look at this. Boom. We sat on that safety net. We pushed back. We retest previous structure right here. Beautiful. We also retested major QP. Beautiful. Okay. So now we know the weekly is bullish. The daily is definitely bullish, right? So we had whoops. We had a push here, come back inside that daily golden zone. By the way, I had another trade here, I think last week or 2 weeks ago. So I've been riding this leg here for what? For the past couple, like since Thursday yeah, that was last week. Last week I had another trade here. So yeah, so anyways, so we had a nice retest here. Daily area of interest, daily golden zone, ready to push up. And actually, that's what we're doing right now. Okay. So those two entries, the two other entries are just continuation trade. So I think that can be a good subject for tonight. Okay. So once you get that trade, that first trade that was a winning trade, and you're passing this resistance, you can look for continuation. Okay. You're like, all right, cool. I'm already know that my weekly and daily are bullish and we're pushing right now. So why stop, or why just stretching, being greedy and say, oh, I'm going to go for 8-1? Yeah, it's possible. But honestly, I prefer to secure some 3-1, 4-1, re-enter, because I know that there's going to be pullback. If you look at the 4-hour, look how beautiful is this. You know, look at this. Look at this. You know, I mean, look here, right? Boom. All right. So we sat down here. There was another entry here somewhere. If we go to the lower time frame, I'm pretty sure. So now here we had the first one that I took, consideration trade, right here. Look at this, H4 golden zone. I mean, we rejected the 382, where we all know it's also a rejection area. We came down to the golden zone, rejected. So we didn't came down fully, but that's fine. But I also missed one. I think it was on AUDGPY, because it didn't go exactly at my golden zone. It rejected before, but it's the trade, but whatever. So now if you go down to the lower time frame, the 1 hour, right? Was it on the 30 minutes or 1 hour? It was only 1 hour. Whoa, sorry guys. Yeah, 1 hour right here. So right here. All right. So we finally have this engulfing candle. I mean, I'm pretty sure it was like, to be honest, it was here. What time was that? Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes total sense, because it was 9 a.m. So yeah, that was right here. So that was the first entry, not this candle, but this candle. So we had the pullback. All right. We were still bullish. All right. So if you look on the 1 hour, all right. So we create a higher high, pullback, higher high. And here, if you look, we respected that support. We got a nice engulfing. Boom, take it to the upside. Put stop under that support minus 5 pips. So you have your stop approximately like somewhere in here. And well, actually right here. That was the exact entry. And yeah, you take it to the upside, and that's it. So got a nice 4 to 1 on that one. And the reason why I stretched that one, if you look here on the daily, that was right here. You see, I wanted to go and secure my 4 to 1 before that wick, so I went very under just to make sure. It was a nice 4 to 1, so I went exactly 4 to 1. So, and I was like, all right, this is safe. I didn't want to stretch it more. So I want to secure 100% of my profit and see if we can have a pullback. And you know what happened? Right after that, right after that, we got a pullback. And look at this. How beautiful is this? Once again, that freaking magical golden zone. Once again, look at this. On a 1 hour, here we go. We're going to pull back right inside that golden zone. We get a nice engulfing candle. Again, take entry right here. This one, I took my stop a little bit more aggressive. I actually took 5 pips under that one. I should be like 5 pips under that support, to be honest. But I went a little bit more aggressive on that one. And right now I'm looking for a 3 to 1. But not going to lie that if we come here and having problem, I'm just going to secure. I already did a 4 to 1. So that would be like, and this one I had like 2% of risk. So for me, I'm already 8% minus my 1.5. So I'm 6.5 in profit. So I'm not going to go stupid here. I'm just going to probably going to secure here if we have any problem. 2.5. 2.5 would be like right here. That will be perfect, to be honest. Let's see where it'll align. Yeah, it aligned like just under that wick, which is perfect. Actually, under that major QP. I think I can stretch it to this major QP. That's what I'm gonna do. Right under it. So 92. Let's put it purple. I can actually stretch it to here. So that would be like 2.8. But if I see any rejection there, like I'm out. I'm out. But that would be the goal. So yeah. And honestly, like I will not let this trade go and draw down. So if it comes back to my entry, I might tolerate a little bit, but I'm not gonna go down too much. Like I'm probably gonna allow like a 10 pips in drawdown, not more. After that, I'm gonna close because I want to secure my profits, right? So it's all about securing profits, guys. Nothing is wrong with that. Cheers. All right. So let's see here. We got Serge. Yo, yo, yo. How you doing, buddy? How you doing? That's a nice picture. All right. Cool. So I think that's hopefully this is clear for you guys. NZDGPY. This is a pretty solid one. Sorry, guys, I got distracted for 1 second. Okay, so okay, so we got NZDGPY done. Now let's talk about Euro GBP. Euro GBP, nothing happened. We had a nice trade idea, but it just didn't happen, right? So now if you're looking at the weekly is bullish, right? We're coming down to this weekly area of interest, which is good. We got this. Actually, this was our original plan, but I thought that on the 4 hour we were starting to pull back, which never happened. So we're gonna erase that. Let's go back to the daily. Let's start from here. We are actually inside that daily golden zone right now, which is kind of good. Okay, so let's remove this so it's less confusing. Cool. So we came down and we are in sync with this area of interest. So I think this is looking still pretty good right now. 4 hour. The only thing is 4 hour, we are quite low right now. Obviously, we're still bullish. 1 hour is bearish. So we need the 1 hour to flip back bullish, basically. Honestly, the best thing will be for your GBP to go like this. and go back here. Well, actually, the best thing will be even better. Will be something like this. This. Let's say something like this. Coming back above, break, retest, go to the upside. That would be the best. Because if we need to go back like above here, it's kind of screwed up the RR a little bit. But still, we got a lot of room to the upside, so we should be fine. But yeah, that's where I put my alert here. I said H1. Oh, I did a mistake here. Not C1. H1. H1 going bullish. So yeah, that's the thing that's missing. 30-minute says the same way. So cool. So your GPP is still on the watch list for next week, or maybe tomorrow. I don't think so. I think it's gonna be next week. Cheers. Um. So Preppy Slay, did you already go over EJ? Oh, I guess that just answered your question. That's good. What do you think about ADGP GPY? Yeah, we're gonna go through it. We're gonna go through it because that's my other one that was looking nice, for sure. Actually, no, we did Euro GBP. Let's do GCAD. GCAD's in purple because I was looking for a day trade on that one. If you look, the weekly is bullish, but the daily and the 4 hour are bearish. So I was looking to take it to the downside, but it didn't respect the golden zone. It broke the safety net. So yeah, just we'll see. Like if the 4 hour goes like sorry, the 1 hour. Yeah, if the 1 hour flip bearish, I might have a look into it. But right now, I'm not that interested into it right now. Because I was really looking for the trade. But if this breaks though above, trade idea goes to the drain, right? But still, idea is still valid at the moment, but not super strong. Okay, so I'll keep it up there. ADGPY, ADGPY. Yeah, ADGPY. Yeah, that's the one right here. You see, man, AUD and NZDGPY have been treating me pretty fucking well. Oops. So here, oh, forgot to talk about the other winning trade where I had another 1.5% win here. Was on the Dogtail setup here. Of course, I would be able to stretch. Can you imagine, dude, if I holded this? That would be like a 17-1. That's crazy. But that was a scalp. That's something I do. Been doing for a little while with GJ. If you've been following me for a long time, you know that I use the dogtail setup, meaning that this is specific to this H4 candle at 9 a.m. I wait for the tail to goes down, and when the dogs start running and past that wick, this is where I get my entry. I usually either put my stop under the wick or use a fixed 15 pip stop loss and go for either a 1-to-1, 1.5-to-1, or 2-to-1 max. This one actually went to, this is the exact exit. So it was a little bit more than 2-to-1. Yeah, so that's about it. But yeah, this one was plain and simple. So here had 1.5% at risk. Actually 1% at risk, and I did 2 to 1. Oh, so actually I did 2% here. So right now, so if you do the math, so I'm like 8.5 this week. Am I? Hold on, wait a second. There's a fucking like Beatles on my wall. Sorry. ADHD kicked in. Yeah, I think yeah. So on my USD CAD at 1.5. So I lost 1.5. I did 4-to-1 at 2% risk. So I did 8% minus 1.5. That's 6.5 plus 1%, 2%. So I'm at 8 point. Yeah, 8. Fuck yeah. Let's go. Damn. Okay. Exciting. Cheers. Okay. So now we were at AUDGPY. Okay. So let's do AUDGPY. By the way, guys, don't forget to smash goddamn like button. Please smash that like button. Hold on. Wait a second. There's some question. What do you think about the? Yeah, we're gonna go over it. Are you using the SNF strategy? Yes, of course. Yes, sir. But yes, I do. but I did some tweak to it that I've been using for a couple of years, and for me, it's been working super well now. So yes, but most of it it's based on Alex strategy. Of course, I got a lot of other things that I'm implementing into it because I've been learning for the past like what 5 6 years now. Shit, man, I'm pretty bad at tracking times. Had many mentors, many good mentors, some bad one, but I kept a little bit of everyone. So it's kind of like doing your own salad kind of thing. So I took a little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there, boom, put that, mix it, and it's been working for me. So yeah, got my modelo ready. Oh, cheers, buddy! Cheers, Raphael. Cheers, man! Don't forget to snap a picture of the cheers and post it on Instagram. Will reshare it. Tag my name on it. Um, this is Evil or Rick from Discord. That's it. Oh yeah, okay. What's up, Eric? What's up? What's up? Do you have trend confluence for the dogtail setup or strictly the break of the candle? I it needs to go in sync with the trend though. But except that, not gonna lie, it's pretty plain and simple. Pretty plain and simple, but I'm not going against the trend though. Very important. So I'm gonna give you an example. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. We'll go back to AED GPY, guys. Don't worry. So pretty simple. So let's get that 9 a.m. candle. So that's this one. Okay, cool. So again, today, Wednesday. What the Wednesday? Oh yeah, we're Wednesday. No, we're Thursday now. Okay, so Thursday. You see Thursday here? Yeah, it would have worked. You probably would be able to do like a 1-to-1, but I personally don't go against the trend. Like here would be like invalid. Now if you go down to let's say last Friday, here you would be like, hold on, boom, boom. Yeah, you would be like going bearish, so that's fine. So this one would have worked because it's bearish. So you wait, boom, you place. So that's what 36 pips. So I personally use like a fix 15 or 20 pips max, but mostly 15 pips, and it would be like an easy like 1.5 to 1, like easily, you know. So that's good. Hold on, what the other one? Let's go to another one. And again, if it doesn't happen in that same candle, I'm out. You know, I'm either gonna get out like at like 1 pips profit, 2 pips profit, or break even, or -1, -2. But I'm actively managing my risk as we speak. You know, I will not let like that stop loss get hit fully for no reason. So that's a different strategy here. Okay. But anyways, I can give you like many example, but again, um, yeah, and maybe we'll do like one stream on this, and you guys get it. Okay, so now let's go back to AUD GPY. Man, poor guys, have been waiting for AUD GPY. Okay, so now if you're looking at the weekly here on the AUD GPY, we are clearly bullish, right? We are clearly bullish, and look at this candle. Fuck, man, that's beautiful. Like you see again, AUD GPY. Look how nice it's. Like this is the kind of pair you guys want to trade. Fuck those fucking ranging pair. USD CAD. Fuck you. Like why? Why should we trade USD CAD when you have pairs? You know, you have pair going like nice trending. Look at this. Look at this. That's what you want. Stop trying to force. Like I can believe I did a trade on USD CAD. I'm so fucking dumb. Anyways, okay, let's take a look at the daily here. So daily is clearly bullish, obviously. So yeah, as you can see, got 2 other wins also on AUD GPY. Like I said, AUD GPY and CD GPY has been treating me very well. Like this one was like a 4.5 to 1. This one was a 2.5 to 1. Yeah. So, but now let's talk about what we have in mind for it's a trend continuation basically. So it's the same thing I explained on NZD GPY. So we get a weekly bullish, the daily bullish. We are creating a new high here on the weekly. So Now, if you look at the 4 hour time frame and look at this daily candle, so the candles are very important, guys, because they tell you a story. Look at this. This doesn't look like a candle that is fading out. This still look like a pretty solid candle. Look at the volume here. Look at the volume here. Look at the volume here. Look at like it's pushing still the same size right now. So I would say that the odds of continuation here are pretty good, especially that like if we break this high, there's a big chance. So now let's see. We got a pullback inside a 4 hour golden zone. The problem I think is it's either I missed it because I was on the road today, but when I looked earlier, there was no engulfing. So let's go check. 2 hour. Fuck. There was one entry on the 2 hour right there, so I missed it. Yeah, 11. I was on the. Yeah, I was on the. I was on the road, so that's what happened. Or I was on NZDGPY already, something like that. I can't remember, but yeah. So I would say that the entry was on based on the 2 hour right here. So if I would have taken that one, it would be like right here and stop. I don't want to put my stop under the structure, so I would go with a more aggressive stop. So I will go like -5 here. So I will go like 26, whatever, 27, whatever. And I'll go for a 2.5. Here we go. Let's go check if it makes sense with the daily. Boom, boom, boom. What we do? Holy shit! What do we have here to the what? Okay. Yeah, so I might have to reduce here to here. What about the weekly? Where's my TP here? Here, perfect. So let's go check on the weekly. Do we have any? Yeah. Okay. So I think based on the daily, let's go back. Okay. So right here. So that's how I do. What the fuck, man? So far, what? It's 2015 or 14. Okay, forget it. That's way too far. Holy shit, we are really high right now. Okay, so yeah, I think I can stretch to 2.5 in FAC. Actually, right under 102 major QP right here. That's perfect. That's actually perfect. Right here. Major QP, major QP. Boom, here we go. Perfect. Yeah, so just under that. So I think if I can like if I would be able to stretch this to there, that would be my call. So just for fun, just for learning purposes, paper trade. We'll see how it works. See if it works or not. Oops. There we go. So I'm gonna keep that on my chart. Don't forget, guys. I didn't took that one. Right. This is a paper trade. But I just want to see if it would it work or not. By the way, right now running on NZDGPY 28 pips. Cheers to that. All right. So let's go to the chat. How you guys doing, chat? Do you have trend confluence for the dogtail setup or strictly the break of the candle? I want my 4 hour to go. If I'm buying, I want my 4 hour to be bullish. Like the trend has to be bullish. If I'm going down, the trend has to be bearish. And once it passed that wick, that's where I get in. And of course, if that 4 hour candle is like beside, like just at a resistance on a daily or something like that, I'm not interested. Because most of the time it turned out pretty bad for me back then. Don't forget, I've been trading this setup for like the past couple of years. Like if you go down to my streams, like I've been streaming for the past 3 years, guys? I don't know, I can't remember, but for a pretty long time. And this setup been working pretty well. I actually have one of my past students that's still been trading that setup like every fucking day on gold, and he's been doing the exact same thing every day on gold. The only thing that he does. So yeah, it works. And why the 9 a.m.? It's because you got that push from the NYC Open. And when you're scalping, you're mostly looking at volume push, right? You want volume in the market. So, and I am at what time zone? New York time zone. Yeah, NY time zone. Can you be my mentor? I actually kind of pause my academy right now because I'm way too busy at the moment. It would be my pleasure, but right now I'm like super super busy. We have like two projects right now with my wife. So we're been running two other businesses. So yeah, pretty busy right now. But like I said, maybe like later this summer, I'm probably gonna reopen some spots. It's because when I do it, I want to have the quality time with you guys. I just I don't want to do it for the I don't I, honestly, like I'm not doing this for the money. I don't give a shit. Like mentorship, I mean, that's why my price was super low back then. It was just like to have an entry point, just to select people, kind of thing. Um, but yeah, but don't be shy. Ask me question. Like I'm always been the guy answering question for pretty much everyone. So, but for me, if you send me question, just don't send me like what's your TP or what's your stop loss. I will not answer to that. Those are stupid questions. Not stupid questions. Sorry, I will retract that. This is not a question you will learn anything from. So if you want to send a question, make sure you send a chart with mentioning what's your thought process. Like if you're telling me, like if you're sending me like, oh, what do you think about NZDGPY? I'm looking to get in. Well, let me know why you're looking to get in. Like, because this and this and this confluence and this confluence. You can do annotation on your chart. That'll always be easier. But yeah, don't be shy. You can shoot me a DM on Discord, and when I have time, I will reply. I know many of you probably already sent some charts, and I did reply. So yeah. So once I reopen the academy, I will guys let you know. But for now, I'm on pause because I'm super busy and I don't want to just put people in a mentorship just to put people in a mentorship. I'm not that kind of guy. I'm not like some other people that need the money. Like I don't give a like yeah. Anyways, okay, so let's change subject. But thank you, Eric, for asking. Appreciate that. Awesome, thank you, Bilal. You're welcome, buddy. He says 9 a.m. for the GJ strategy. Is it yes Eastern time? By the way, I love your snowboard guy here. Like you're like where you're from. I'm curious. Ashan, what's up, bro? I love your mask, by the way, bro. Like it's been like a couple days you show up here. And I forgot to mention last time. So hello, buddy. Nathan Davis, how you doing? What's up, bro? Please be my mentor. You guys are way too much, man. I'm just like, thanks. I really appreciate it. I'm doing this for you guys, by the way. Like this live stream is for you. I don't do this for me to be on YouTube. Like guys, I'm 42. I have other things to do. My wife's waiting for me for dinner. Like the only reason why I'm doing this is because I know it helps people, and I got feedbacks after. My biggest paycheck is when you smash that like button. It show me that you appreciate what I do. And when you write me a DM and say, thank you, man, it helped me, or you post something on IG, and that's my biggest check. The rest, I don't give a shit. Like I don't give a shit about views, to be honest. Like the only reason why I want you to smash that like button, it's because it helped me reach out to more people to help more people. So that's the only reason. But yeah. Anyways, just sitting here absorbing knowledge. Thank you, Nathan. We'll go through some more. Cheers to that, guys. Thank you so much. Man, I'm overwhelming right now. Like you guys are way too kind to me. But thank you. I think I'm. If it wasn't for the sun, I think I'm blushing. Okay, so let's get serious here. Okay, so AUD I think that can be a nice consideration trade here. So we'll see. We mark it as a paper trade. NZD we already talked about it, so that looks good. I'm still sitting at 28 pips profit here. AUD let's see here. AUD what we got? What we got? AUD has been bearish since a fucking long time. So if you look here, we've been bearish since boom, right here, October 2022. like not 2 years, but more than a year and a half. So, but the daily looks good though. The daily is bearish. Look at this. This is beautiful. So now we got a nice pullback. Oops. We got a nice pullback coming to retest this daily area of interest, which is also in sync with the daily golden zone, which is also in sync with a major QP. By the way, guys, when I'm gonna reopen my academy, you're also gonna get the course for the quarter points theory, price action, all those kind of stuff. Candlestick, storyline, basically anything you guys need to know. 4 hour is now bullish. Are we gonna get like an infamous shampoo pattern here? But yeah, we create a high here. Boom, boom. We need to come down here, basically. That's what it is. What is this? Okay, I need to update this right here. Boom. So I'm gonna place the alert here, so we'll know when H4 goes bearish, which is, I like the fact that we create a new high here, so it's going to give us a better RR. So yeah, AUDUSD I think looks good for next week. Totally looks good for next week. So take notes, guys. This, if we're coming down after this, is going to look good. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So that's why it's blue, because it's not ready yet. NZD USD. Let's see. I think we got pretty much the same thing here. So USD, yeah. NZD USD, I'm waiting for the pullback here to this major QP, which is also in sync with that weekly area of interest. If you look at the daily, now let's go down with our fib here. So look at this, man. How beautiful is this when you got like so many confluence in sync? This is fucking amazing. Not sorry for the F bomb. I'm French, so the F bomb doesn't really mean anything for me. So I do apologize if I drop some F bomb. Okay, so here, so we're getting that pullback here at this weekly area of interest, which is also this major QP, which is also this daily golden zone, ready to come down. So that looks good. Now let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours bullish. Cool. 4 hours is going to keep bullish until we get to that area, right? So we're going to do this, and suddenly we're going to break here and we're going to come down. All right. So that's the plan. So take notes, guys. NZD USD next week. Euro USD. Let's see. What time is it? All right. So Euro USD, same shit. So waiting for the pullback, and Euro USD is the second pair that I hate the most. Okay. So hopefully I don't do something stupid with that one. But Euro USD is probably the worst. I mean, the pair that is the most manipulated out there. All right. So if you look at the weekly here, we're coming back up to retest weekly area of interest. Let's see to the daily. Daily, we're coming up to the area of interest, which is also the daily golden zone. Okay, that looks good. 4 hour, 4 hours bullish. Obviously, let's update this. Boom. And you see those lines, guys? If you can use those lines, use it, because it's so easier when you use those lines. It's just cleaner on the chart. It helps you see, like, all right, it's blue, it's bullish, right? It's red, it's bearish. Easy. GA used to be one of my second. GA used to be my second pair for scalping back then. Oh shit, I forgot the chat, guys. Sorry, man. I'm keep going here. Just sitting here. Okay, I thought it was some other questions. Sorry, guys. Man, we are 100% like ratio. That's amazing. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate that. All right, so let's update this chart here. So here, the 4 hour create a new lower low. Boom, boom. And now we create a new higher high. So we're going to update those lines. Boom, 4 hour high, 4 hour high low. There we go. Cool. So what's up now? So let's go back. So weekly is bearish, daily is bullish, 4 hours bullish. Yeah, okay. So now we gotta wait. We gotta wait until we're up here. All right, cool. So GA next week. Oh, GA, because I was looking for day trade on GA. Okay. Hold on. Wait a second. Let's recap this for 1 sec. Okay. Daily. Yeah, no, fuck it. Sorry, guys. So yeah, no, I'm gonna keep this blue actually because I'm gonna wait for this to flip bearish now. Daily's gonna have to go bearish though. Yeah, fuck GA. Fuck it. Yeah, I think the rest is pretty like so. I think we looked at everything. If you have any other pair, please let me know. Let me know now. The time is good. Look at Euro GBP. Euro GBP is gonna be looking super nice. Yep. Yep. Just waiting for H1 to flip bullish. All right. EDGPY. Looking good. Looking good. 30 pips. No, 29 exactly. But yeah. Any questions, guys? You guys are way too quiet tonight. What's up with that? Are you guys still there? Cheers. All right, guys. So I think we're done. So once again, thank you so much for being here tonight. Oh, hold on. Wait a second. Time out. Pause. We got AUD CHF was so nice for buys. This. Oh, okay. Let me see. Just very quickly. AUD CHF. Where are you? AUD CHF for buys this week. Just curiously. It's been a while. I didn't look at AUD CHF. Okay. Let me see. Very quickly. Weekly is bullish. We created. Oh yeah, okay. So I guess it was nice until we broke here. Daily. The thing is, the daily was bearish though. Yeah, daily's bearish, bro. Let me remove this fib so it's less confusing. So if you look here at the daily, daily's bearish. So yeah, it's a no-go. Like, look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, you're bearish. Yes, you got a double top here. So I understand that can fight this structure because it's a reversal pattern. But yeah. Let's take a little FOR just for fun. FOR went bearish here. Boom, boom, boom. So if anything, that would be something in here. Let's see. Yeah, it would be like right here. That would be the buy. So under 5 pips, so 28. Boom. So that would be the buy. So a 3 to 1 minimum. That would be right here. So yeah, it would be nice, but the problem is the daily. Like I said, like the date is bearish, so you'll go against that daily trend. So I would personally not do it. Oh, actually, that's not true. Sorry. Sorry. Oh yeah, it's true. Yeah, it's still bearish. The thing is, for me, and like I said, that's why it might be confusing here, because there are some people who's gonna count this, as a retracement, and I don't, because it's a doji candle, and for me, it's a write-off candle. The reason why it's because it's an indecisive candle. So for me, it's a write-off. So I erase it from the chart, push this side by side the candle. For me, and the reason why I do this, is because most of the time when I use this as a retracement and this as a lower low, I got screwed up and I lost the trade. So I prefer to not lose, but miss the trade here than having a losing trade. Because most of the time I've been having losing trade using this. So for me now, I just remove it from the time frame. But yes, let's say that you did use this as a retracement. You got your low here. You got the break of the structure here. So suddenly your daily is bullish, right? So that would make sense. but you don't have a pullback on the 4 hour time frame though. So, but yeah, it's not so bad to be honest. It's not something I would be interested in. But yeah. All right, guys. So let's see. Any more question? It's crazy how you analyze the chart. Very good. Thank you so much, man. It's just chart time. It's just chart time. Man, I look like a fucking raccoon right now. Ooh, the sun is blasting hard right now. Um, I know. Took the risk and got 4-1. Okay, good. Thanks, bro. We appreciate you. Hey, man, you're welcome. You're welcome. So, once again, thank you so much for being here tonight. I appreciate every single one of you. If you have any questions, please reach out to my DM. Follow me on IG. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Activate notification because I rarely go on live at the exact same time. All right. So once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you Tuesday morning for a live session around like 7:30 a.m. That's why you need to activate notification. All right. So thank you so much once again. Have an amazing evening. Take care, guys.